Well, it's turning traditional learning on its head.
And teachers and students at Maple Grove Junior High are embracing it. Sonia Goins shows us how flipping the classroom works.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute this.
Mr. Shear's ninth grade math class looks and sounds like a normal classroom, but it's not.
1/2 10 plus x.
This class is flipped. Instead of doing homework at home, they do it in class, and they get their classroom lessons at home.
Kids watch their lessons at home through video lessons that we've created here at school, and then they come to class and they're able to do what used to be called homework in class with their peers.
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
At home, students watch a 10-minute lesson via the internet. Students who don't have internet watch on a DVD. They can also check it out on their smartphones.
Not only can you rewind it, but you can rewatch it the whole time, so if you don't get it.
Mr. Shear has been using the flip model for more than a year. He says he's seen an improvement in grades.
What I'm seeing on my daily tests and my chapter tests have been significant improvements among my students.
Hannah Todd says she was hesitant at first, but her grades have improved since she's participated in the flip class.
I pretty much have a straight A this whole entire class.
The teacher says this technique allows him to spend more one-on-one time with students.
Some of the students who have traditionally struggled because they had a hard time getting their homework done at home are now able to get these video lessons done at home, so when they come to class they can get that attention with me or with some of their peers in the classroom.
Students say this program also is easier on their parents, who sometimes struggle to help them with their schoolwork.
I tried to ask my parents, but it's kind of hard sometimes because they're not used to it. They don't really know what I'm talking about sometimes. So it's good that we do it in class, because then Mr. Shear and my friends can help me.
Now, Mr. Shear also has a way of checking to see if the students actually watch the video. There's a video guide that goes with each lesson. If it's not filled out, he knows the student didn't do the work. And Mike and Alex, if the student did watch a lesson, they could check it out in school. But if not, they also have to stay after class.
One way or another, they're going to get that lesson.
Yes, you have to do your work.
All right. Thanks a lot, Sonia.